Hello everyone, David King here from Flow. So today I want to show you another video of some sort of behind the scenes tools. The last video was quite well received, so more of the same. So basically when we're talking to leads or onboarding new customers, we make sure that our product is branded up with our clients' logos and brand colors and things like this. And so previously this has been a manual process. We'd get into the database, we'd update those fields, and then off we go. But there's a bit of a margin for error there because it's a bit human. And so what we've done is we've just built a little tool to sort of help along that process. But we've made some kind of fun things as we've went along as well. So for example, we've recently started working with a company in New Zealand called Consultex, and they have this lovely sort of purple and grey logo. Now, if I upload this logo, our system analyzes it, plucks out commonly used or frequently used colors, and also finds like a more balanced palette that we can use for various parts of the template. So we can use this analysis to influence how we design the cover page and other parts of our system. The other thing that we can do, which is really nice, is a very light sort of touch of white labeling. So I've got the mobile app here on my phone, and if I save this logo, you can see my account is immediately updated with that logo, as is this simulator on the side. And so, this is a tool that we're using internally when we're doing that sort of onboarding or demo side of things. And we think it's really nice to be able to do this ourselves because as a small company with just 2 staff currently, it's myself and my brother Paul, we're doing a lot of context switching. So in any given day, we're talking to customers, existing customers, we're doing sales, we're writing articles, we're writing code for new features, debugging existing features, planning future sprints, and also strategizing about what we want to do with our business, as well as the administration of the company as well. So there's a lot of context switching. I mean, anyone who has ever built a company will have gone through this stage. And so one of the problems with context switching like that is it can be quite demanding, mentally taxing. So for example, we've got a demo call in about an hour, and previously I would come into that demo call and hopefully I've set up the branding. And the reason I would say hopefully is because sometimes I just think, I can't face going into the database to do that myself. I might make a mistake. I have made mistakes before. I've put the wrong logos on, or I've updated the wrong account. But obviously we rectify those problems. But by building a tool like this, it takes the friction away, and it means that we could that context switching comes with a much lower cost. So while it might take, say, an hour to build a tool like this, over, let's say, 4 or 5 onboarding calls, it's paid for itself in terms of time, but in terms of like the cognition, it's already valuable because I no longer have to think about, have I updated all the correct fields in the correct order and, all the other technical things. So building tools to serve us as business owners is actually really important. And the reason we build tools in this way and don't just open them up to our customers to self-serve straight away is they can also form a really important conversation. So we would like to have a good relationship with all of our clients. And, if we just set this up so you could log in and update your logo anytime, color schemes and things, that means we're kind of missing out on a conversation there. So if one of our customers has changed their logo, we want to know why. Like, what's wrong with the old logo? Or is there a change in your company? Have you changed your name? Have you thought about any other settings that might need reflecting? So by keeping it internally, certainly for the time being when we have a small and manageable client base, is really nice because those conversations basically come to us. And by building these tools, we can actually, we can build it with a chisel, we can refine it with sandpaper, and once we're very happy with it, we think then that might be an appropriate time to open it up to our clients. So there's actually a lot more than you can see here to our product, but it is in the vast majority hidden away, and it's for our own internal use. And the reason we are doing it this way around is just so that the product itself to use and to interface with is very, very simple. You know, if you don't have 10 settings screens and you have a phone call, we actually think that's in a way like a better user experience, and it's better for us. Certainly, like I say, at this stage in our business. So if you have any questions about, you know, the technology, the product, what we're doing, what we've got planned for the future, please just write in the comments. We're always happy to chat about anything. So yeah, that's it. I've been David King, and hopefully I will see you soon. Ta-ra.